Hi, I'm Belle from Gardening Express, and today we're going to be talking about garden design. If you've been thinking about reinvigorating your garden but you're not really sure where to start, because it can be quite a big project, we have got you covered. We are going to talk about all different tips and tricks that you can use to design your garden. To start with, undertake a site survey. It's important that you understand your own outdoor space. A good starting point is measuring up your garden so you can draw up a sketch that's roughly to scale. Make sure to know any features that won't be moving, like trees, sheds, or any doors to your house. So the next part of your garden survey is figuring out what kind of growing conditions you're working with. So this means what direction your garden is facing in, how much sunlight you get, what type of soil you have, and all of that kind of information goes towards figuring out what plants are going to do really well in your garden. So when you're thinking about your soil, you're going to want to check your pH. Most plants prefer to be between 6 and 7.5, but there are plants that enjoy more acidic or alkaline soil. It's also helpful to figure out what type of soil you're working with. If you want some more info about pH testing and figuring out your soil type, we do have more detailed videos and articles about this in our Knowledge Hub, so be sure to check those out if you're not sure what you're doing. To keep learning about garden design, make sure to check out parts 2 and 3 of our little introduction to garden design. Thank you for watching and enjoy your garden.